Well, good morning. Today is Thursday, January 13th. I'm Danielle Wiggins with your 3 News Now morning update. Thanks for joining me for a few minutes to check in on Northeast Ohio and the latest stories from our region. Now we start with Holly, who's tracking your forecast.
Danielle, it's been so mild, and once again, as we look ahead through the rest of today, we're talking upper 30s and low 40s. It'll be partly to mostly cloudy skies, which means you're going to see some sun, but we're also going to see a few rain and snow showers at times, and that will be scattered, so not all of you included. Looking ahead to tonight's weather, we do get colder in a seasonal way, though. Upper 20s to around 30 tomorrow for the start of the day, and then we're not going to move much as we track some flurries and scattered snow showers throughout your Friday. But again, they're going to be very sporadic and pretty light in intensity. So let's get to the weekend and see what we have in store. I know it's a long weekend for the kids and for maybe some of you with MLK on Monday and 20 Saturday. So we'll get that brief little cold snap and a few flurries possible. Then lots of sunshine as we start Sunday. We'll track more scattered snow for later in the day. 30s for highs, some scattered snow, especially early on MLK Monday. And, maybe that's a little sledding in the kids' future. We're in the 30s through the middle of next week. Danielle, back to you.
Thank you so much, Holly. Now to the latest on the coronavirus, as Ohio's new case numbers from Wednesday are once again over 20,000. And hospitalizations over the past 24 hours remain high, just shy of 500. NBC is tracking the stress this is taking on ICUs across the country. Ohio hospitals ranked as high stress level, with 35% of ICU beds being used to treat COVID. And federal help is coming to the Cleveland Clinic to deal with the surge in COVID cases. USA Today reports the Biden administration will send medical teams to the clinic and hospitals in 6 states to help with COVID staff shortages. As many as 25 health workers could be deployed to Cleveland. The president will announce details of the plan today. And a quick note from the Cleveland Clinic. The hospital system tells us it will continue to postpone non-essential outpatient and inpatient surgeries through January 30th due to a high number of COVID cases. The hospital also says essential and emergency surgeries will continue. As Omicron spreads, the focus is moving to testing to keep the virus in check. The Biden administration says it will send 10 million COVID-19 tests to schools across the country every month to help keep kids in classrooms. That's 5 million rapid tests and 5 million PCR tests. This will double school testing capacity over last November.
We're doing everything we can to make sure that our children have an opportunity to stay in school.
And here in Ohio, the Department of Health says they will also prioritize getting tests to K-12 schools and colleges. ODH ordered 1.2 million testing kits for January, but so far only 400,000 have arrived and been distributed. The shipment of the remaining 800,000 has been delayed by the manufacturer, but they anticipate shipments later this month. And here's 3 more local stories to know this morning. First, the woman charged in the murder of Cleveland police officer Shane Bartek is in court today. Tamara McLeod is being arraigned for Bartek's death. She's charged with aggravated murder in the deadly armed carjacking on New Year's Eve. McLeod is also facing indictments for 2 unrelated armed robberies. You can watch her court appearance on our Facebook and YouTube pages and on WKYC.com. The Ohio Supreme Court has rejected new state legislative maps, saying they strongly favor the GOP. Republican Chief Justice Maureen O'Connor joined Democrats in a 4-3 ruling, saying the proposed maps violated anti-gerrymandering rules. Ohio's bipartisan redistricting commission has 10 days to draw new maps. And this year's NBA All-Star Game is coming to downtown Cleveland next month. Are you excited? Okay, and with more visitors expected in town, the city is preparing for venues to stay open later. Businesses can now apply to serve alcohol until 4 a.m. They need to submit all the required information by next Thursday, January 20th. All-Star Weekend is February 18th through the 21st. Yes, right here in downtown Cleveland. Tickets for the game and the other NBA Experience events are on sale right now. So let's end with a reason to smile this morning because the Akron Zoo recently welcomed a new baby Gibbon. That's a small ape, just in case you're wondering. But the zoo needs your help naming the new baby. Check out the baby. Oh, so cute. Now, this baby was born on December 9th, and now through January 26th, you can go online and vote for your favorite name. Here are the options: Lolani, Keo, and then we have Kanoa, and also Rue. And then you also have Gen Z. So we have a link to vote on WKYC.com. And let us know what your favorite name for that little cutie is. Well, thank you for taking time to join me for this 3 News Now morning update. Our digital team will continue to bring you the stories making headlines around Northeast Ohio and beyond. Make sure you continue to check our social media pages and WKYC.com throughout the day. I'm Danielle Wiggins, and I'll see you tomorrow morning on Go, starting very, very early at 4:30 a.m. Have a great day, everybody.